A necklace has 26 beads. Another necklace has 32 beads. How many beads altogether? So when we look back at the problem, let's see what information is important. We have 26, which is the number, and then beads, which is the object. So that's one of our parts. And then we have 32, which is our number, and beads, which is the object. That's our second part. And because they use the word all together, that means they want us to bring both of our parts to find the whole number. If I take this part and this part, how many do I have all together? So we know that when we're bringing numbers together, we're going to use Gus the plus. Linus the minus, he compares. Gus the plus, he shares. So we're bringing two parts together. So when we're adding our numbers, we are going to want to start with our tens. So when I look at the number 26, I know by looking at my tens place that there are two groups of 10. Two tens. And when I look at my ones place, I know that 26 has 6 ones. 6 ones. That's one of my parts. 26 has two groups of 10. And you can see in the picture, two groups of 10. And 6 ones. 6 ones. The squares are the ones. The rectangles, the full set, is a group of 10. Then when I look at the number 32, I know that there are three groups of 10. 1, 2, 3. And in my tens place, there's the 3. So 3 groups of 10. And then when I look at my ones place, I know that 32 has two groups of 1. 1, 2, and two groups of 1. Now what I want to do is add my numbers together, because Gus the plus wants to bring two parts together. To do that, I could add my tens first. I know by looking at the picture and looking at my tens that I'm going to start by adding my tens together. So two groups of 10. So 2 plus my 3 groups of 10. So 2 plus 3. 3, 4, 5. So I know that there are 5 groups of 10. And then I'm going to add my ones. I know that there are 6 ones in 26. So I'm going to start with that number because it's bigger than this number. And I'm going to count on. So 6, 7, 8. And 8 ones. 5 tens and 8 ones makes what number? If I have a 5 in my tens place and an 8 in my ones place, what number does that make? 58. You are right. And another way to solve this is by using our hundreds chart. So I'm going to start with one part, and I know that one part is 26. So I'm going to look for the 26 and put my circle on it. Then I'm going to add my group of tens. My group of tens to my tens in this number. So I know 26 has two groups of 10, and 32 has 3 groups of 10. So I'm going to start by adding 3 groups of 10. And to do that, I'm going to count down 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And I landed on the number 56. But we can't forget our ones in 32. How many ones are in 32? Look at the ones place. How many ones? 2. And then I'm going to count up 2 times. Count on 2 times. Ready? 1, 2. And I landed on 58. And by using my hundreds chart, I know that 26 plus 32 makes 58, which has 5 groups of 10 and 8 ones.